Okay, thank you everyone. आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम इस चैनल के जरिए सीखेंगे किसी भी लॉग का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और उसके मेंटिसा के वैल्यू को हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो सपोज हमारे पास कोई भी नंबर के गिवन है, तो उस के नंबर को हम m इंटू टेन रेज टू द पावर p के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, जैसा कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं। सो k इज इक्वल टू m इंटू टेन रेज टू द पावर p। वी कैन एक्सप्रेस एनी नंबर k in the form of m into 10 raised to the power p. But we have some condition in terms of m and p. So the value of m must lies between 1 and 10, but value of p is some integral value. It may be positive and sometimes it may be negative also. So we can write k is equal to m into 10 raised to the power p. So we can take some example here. This one is example. If 845 is written, then we can write 845 as 8.45 into 10 raised to the power 2. The value 2 is called the value 2 is called characteristics of any number, whereas m, we just consider the value of p and m from this equation. We can compare. So p is equal to 2 for this example, and m is equal to 8.45 for this example. So what we can observe in next step, we can check if we write k is equal to m into 10 raised to the power p here, we can take log on both sides. So once we take the log on both sides, this side log k base 10. If nothing is written in base, then automatic the base value is 10, log any value with base 10. In right hand side log m into 10 raised to the power p here. Using formula log m into n, we can write log m plus log n easily. So log m plus log n. In next step, we can try to find the value of log m. Our m must be lies between 1 and 10, as we have discussed here. So log m value always lies between 0 and 1, because as we know log 1 base 10 is equal to 0, log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. So as we move log 2 0.3, log 3 more than 0.3. So in this way, as we move from 1 to 10, our value increases from 0 to 1, not exact equal to 1 at log 10 base 10. Okay, but this value m is not exact equal to 10, so this complete value log m should always lies between, means you can check here, if m lies between 1 and 10, then log m should be greater than equal to 0, but always less than 1, we can say. So log m lies between. So once we convert k number in forms of m into 10 raised to the power p, taking log on both sides, we write the value log m. So the complete value log m is called mantissa, and this value p means log 10, p comes outside. So log 10 base 10 is 1. So p is characteristics. So overall m lies between 1 and 10, then log m lies between 0 1. Okay, so this p is called characteristics and this one is called mantissa. So using this concept, we can try to find characteristics and mantissa for any number. Just consider, if you take log k, so log k, this complete value p is always some integral value. You can check here, because p always some integral value. So we write here p, and log m always lies between 0 to 1. So this one is mantissa and this part is characteristics. If we add these two, then complete value is log k. So we will try to solve some question which are based on the concept of characteristics and mantissa. So first example, just take the example, which one is 2 example 2.315. If we try to write the complete number in forms of log m, what we need to write first? We need to write any number k in the form of m into 10 raised to the power of p. So try to write this complete value. So this complete value can be written as 2.315 into 10 raised to the power 0. You can check 10 raised to the power 0 because m should be lies between 0 to 10. So you can observe 2.315 is lies between 0 to 10 and this value is p. First step done. In second step we can take log on both sides. So once we take log on both sides, then this become log k, and log k is equal to log m, sorry, I think some mistake, some lagging issue is there, that's why I am facing some problem. Okay, so what we can write, this value is log m, so just write log m here into log 10 raised to the power 0. In this way we can write. So sorry, this time we write plus sign here. So complete value is 0, log m is log 2.315 plus this complete value is equal to 0. 0 into log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. So if you try to find the characteristics and mantissa, so you can easily check here what is the value of characteristics. This integral value is called characteristics. So p is characteristics and p is equal to 0. First thing done. Next one is mantissa, log of 2.315. This complete value is called mantissa. I hope this example is clear to everyone. We take some more example. Next question is, if some number is given like 387, we can take any number by yourself. 387.35 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. 10 raised to the power minus 7. So we need to find the characteristics and mantissa for this number, means we can find for any number. So what is the first step? Write k number in the form of m into 10 raised to the power a. So we can write the complete number like 3.8735 into 10 raised to the power. We can check here. Here 10 raised to the power minus 7 and we shift to step left side. So what should be the value here? 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 100. So this complete value become 10 raised to the power minus 5. You can check it by yourself also. First thing done. In next step we can take log on both sides. So in left hand side this value is log 387.35 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 is equal to, now take log on both sides, then log m into n become log m plus log n. So log 3.8735 plus log of 10 raised to the power minus 5 here, and base value is 10 here. Okay, in each and every case base value is 10. So what we observe, log 10 387.35 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 is given. Then this complete value means this value lies between, you can check here, this value lies between 1 and 10. That's why this complete value lies between 0 and 1. So this one is called mantissa. This one is called mantissa. Done. Okay, if we solve this complete part, then this value is minus 5 will come outside. So this become minus 5 only. So minus 5 become characteristics. So in this way we can find the characteristics and mantissa for any number. For this sometime you use some formula like total number, decimal, minus 1. So I think these all are not some proper method because you got confused for this type of method. So easily follow simple step. Take log on both sides. First write k is equal to m into 10 raised to the power p form. First step. In second step, take log on both sides. I take log on both sides in this step. In third step, always remember this complete value must lies between 0 and 1. So taking log with complete value is called mantissa, and this integral value which come outside is called characteristics. So in this way, we can find characteristics and mantissa. So you can check next video how we can apply the concept of characteristics and mantissa to find the value of any log. Like using this concept, we can easily find log value. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. We will meet with next video.